welcome back to my channel. Okay, I promised to show you, I always want to share with my queens whatever I used on my skin or on my hair. Okay, so I promised to drop this video. Okay, so if today is the first time stopping by here or seeing my face, please do not forget to subscribe. You're welcome, you're highly welcome. I love and appreciate you. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. So I'll be sharing with you the product I'm using on my hair. Okay, I had some issues earlier earlier this year. Okay, after I delivered, after I had my baby, I started having serious breakouts around my hair edges. Like my hair was breaking so massively. I'm going to insert a picture. There was a time I even posted on my WhatsApp. I said, please do, is there anyone that has a remedy for hair breakage, something I can use to, to treat my hair, something I can use to grow back my hair. I posted that on my WhatsApp. Okay, I have some comments. People said hormonal change for happy. Some people, some of my queens said, okay, once you have a baby, sometimes it affects your hair, hormonal change and all that stuff. Okay, so my hair was breaking. Like when I comb my hair, pity me, you see the huge kind of hair that will just blow out of the comb. Like I think I snapped some of them. I'll check and see if I can still find some of those clips, and I will insert that. If I can't find it, I won't insert it. Like when I comb my hair, oh my god, you will see the huge hair that will just come off the comb. My hair was breaking massively. Now look at my hair, it's coming back to life. Look at my hair. So my husband knew my hair was breaking so much, and he always liked me packing natural hair. But I like wigs. Okay, I know our African babes who always like our wigs. So he liked natural hair. So I was complaining with him. I said, okay, this hair seems I will go and cut it too, because I can't be going around with this unhealthy kind of looking hair. Now this is my 1 month of using this product, and my hair has been drastically coming back to life. Like I can't even believe it. That's how that's my natural hair. I wrapped, see, that's my natural hair. Look at it, nothing in it. It's my natural hair. Look at it. So I told him I'm going to cut this hair because I can't be walking around with breakage and all this kind of hair, this unhealthy kind of hair. So he contacted his sister, and his sister sent us some products. Okay, seriously, trust me, I'm officially the distributor of this product, because I can't even believe how this product works for hair. It's super amazing. Okay, so she sent us some products which I'll be showing you. Okay, so before I do that, if you yet subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. Here on this channel, we talk about skincare, beauty tips, fashion, and lifestyle. So now let me show you the products. Okay, these products are so amazing. I am officially the distributor of this product because they work so well. Okay, something that can revive my hair this much. I'm going to put the picture of how my hair used to look, how my hair breaks. Like that picture is even better, because just imagine when I can even go out with dark hair. Then it was better compared to how it was looking before that I had to cover it or I have to wear a wig. Okay, so before I was even able to go out with the hair like that, it means the hair was already getting better. Okay, and I didn't even know I would talk about hair. If I had known I would talk about hair, I would have saved some of those videos or clips of my hair when it was looking like the worst. I would have saved it, because this channel is about skincare. Okay, it's about skincare, beauty tips, fashion, and lifestyle. So there's nothing about hair on my channel. I don't talk about hair on my channel. So if I had known I would talk about hair, seriously, I would put pictures and clips. You would have seen how horrible my hair was looking when it was breaking massively. The hair was nothing to write home about. My hair was really bad then. So my husband contacted his sister all the way from Sri Lanka, and she sent us. Sri Lanka is an island, I think in India. I'm saying I think it's an island in after India, something like that. Okay, it's from the Asian continent. Okay, she sells these products for massive hair. They have long hair, so they have some of these herbs they use in making their special hair products. So she sent us some. She sent us the hair shampoo, the conditioner, and the hair mask. My god, this product works like magic. That's what I've been using. Me, I have never wrapped my hair. Like I can see my hair. Look at how I can wrap my hair now, and it's just like close to 4 weeks or less. So we contacted her and she sent us these products, and it's big. So this thing is going to last you for months. It's going to last you for 6 months if I'm not mistaken. These things are going to last you for a long time. See, this is the hair mask, this is the conditioner, and this is the shampoo. The shampoo is 800 gram. The shampoo is 800 gram, and this one is 500 gram, the conditioner. And the hair mask is 750 gram. So how to use the hair mask? Okay, you separate your hair just the way you put your relaxer, but it's not relaxer. Okay, it's a hair treatment mask. You put it the way you put your relaxer. First of all, you wet your hair. Take water, sprinkle water on your hair, wet your hair. Okay, after wetting your hair, you take the mask. Not like you wet it like dripping on your body. Just take like a spray bottle, put some water, and you sprinkle the water on your hair. Okay, have your hair damp. Then after that, you take the hair mask. You separate your hair into portions. You put the hair mask into your hair, and after that, you massage the mask well. Massage the mask into your hair. Massage it well. Massage your mask. After massaging your mask, the mask on your hair, you take your shower cap and you leave it like that for like 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes or 2 hours. Yes. Okay, don't extend, like let's say maximum 2 hours, but 1 hour is okay. Just cover it, leave it like that for like 1 hour. Okay, it's made up of shea butter, avocado, egg. Is a high protein hair mask. Okay, so you mask it, you leave it for some minutes, then you take it off, and after that you take your shampoo. Use the shampoo to wash your hair. After washing your hair, use the conditioner to apply. Leave it for like 3 minutes. Use your comb out, wash it off. Okay, after that, apply your hair moisturizer, either your hair cream, coconut oil. Okay, coconut oil is great. Okay, castor oil, whatever oil you have available, olive oil, you apply that to your hair. But after this video, I'll be dropping another video tomorrow on the hair mixture I made. Okay, she directed me to make that, and I did. She directed me to make that hair mixture to use as my hair moisturizer. So when I was mixing that, I already had at first when I didn't have that mixture, when I was just doing the procedure. You can wash your hair every 5 days. Okay, every 5 days you do this hair mask thing. Okay, when you know you're already want to, it's really big, it's 750 grams, so it's going to last you. So when you know you're still treating your hair, you do it every 5 days. Okay, when you achieve results, you can do it once every 2 weeks. Okay, so at first when I was doing the washing, the maxing stuff, okay, I was using the coconut oil. This is coconut oil. It's looking this way because of the AC. Okay, the AC kind of made it look this way. Okay, it was plain. Okay, so at first I was using the coconut oil to apply on my hair. So she directed me on how to make a hair mix for myself, which I did, and I'm specialized on skincare. Okay, I'm not really a hair person because of my husband and his love for hair, so I kind of got interest in taking care of my natural hair. So she directed me on how to arrange something for my hair, and I did. Okay, you know, the Asian people are really great with hair. Okay, and how to take care of the hair. So she directed me, and I did make the mixture. So when I was making this mixture, because I was already in the course of taking care of my hair, so I filmed when I was making the hair mixture, so which I will post tomorrow for you to see. Okay, so if you want to follow this procedure of taking care of your hair, you can make that hair mix. But if you can't make that hair mix, you can just get very good natural coconut oil and use on your hair. You can use either coconut oil, you can use castor oil, you can use olive oil. Okay, and moisturize your hair after washing. After washing your hair, you let it dry. Okay, let it dry. Once after dry, then you apply your coconut oil or your olive oil, because I know some people don't like the smell of coconut oil. You can apply olive oil, or you can apply castor oil. Okay, or you can apply any good hair cream you're already using that you think or you know is good. So this is how it comes. Okay, it's really big and it's super affordable. So in case you are interested, okay, send me a message on my Instagram, IG, or you send me a message on WhatsApp. I'm going to put my WhatsApp number on my description box and my Instagram handles on my description box, so you can send me a message to purchase this. This is hair food. Okay, if you're looking for something to take care of your hair that works, these are good. This will last you for 4, 5 to 6 months. It's really big. This is This is about close to 1 liter, 800 ml. This one is 500 and this is 750 gram. It's super big, so it's going to last you for a very long time. See, and packagings are so cute. So if you're interested in this, send me a message on my WhatsApp or on my Instagram, okay, to get this. These things are super. It's less than 20k. So let me just give you everything you're seeing here. Everything you're seeing is less than 20,000 naira. So if you're interested, send me a message to get yours, okay? And take care of your hair. Most of this Harmattan period is even drying out the hair so much. So you need something, you need some extra care to nurture and take care of your hair properly, okay? So send me a message on Instagram or my WhatsApp, okay, to purchase. It's less than 20,000 naira, so it's a good one, okay, to take care of your hair. Just look at my hair. It's just like 1 month of using now, just 1 month. Look at it. Hair is really coming, and I know with time it's gonna be better than this. Okay, I just started. With time, she said that she give it 3 months. That was the deadline she gave me. So 3 months, you're gonna love your hair. So this is just 1 month's results, and I'm still loving it. So that'll be end of today's video. So tomorrow I'll be dropping a video of how I made the oil. I already promised to give recipes on how to make super whitening cream this coming week, which is coming up from Tuesday. Super whitening cream to give you a milky white tone. Okay, 3 different recipes will be dropping this week. So the first one will be coming up on Tuesday, then the other 2 before the end of the week I'll drop them. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, subscribe so you don't miss out when I drop those videos about your skin. Okay, we're gonna pop this Christmas. So these recipes are like my selling points recipes, and I'm going to be dropping this week. So subscribe so you don't miss out when I drop them. The first one will be coming on Tuesday, then the other 2 will be coming up before the end of next week. So that'll be the end of today's video. Bye for now, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.